Good afternoon, everybody. So we'll continue with some practice. First, we'll start with calling some of you to the board, and as we were doing last time. So, can you come? I'll start with you. Yeah. Okay. Take any two. I mean, any of these. Take any word from these two lines. Ask to the class. Everything fine about it? Anything wrong? Anything right? हाँ? R होना चाहिए. And anything else except that? Yeah, this is a mandatory thing, right?
My brother and I.
Yes. Yes, that's the best usage. My brother and I. I mean, me and my brother, I mean, we talk like that sometimes, yes. But while writing, it's a strict no. My brother and I. What is that? Consist. Consist, okay. Are going to Rishikesh, right? In this song. I think that you can keep not to you. You can have that in, and also you can leave. My brother and I are going to Rishikesh this summer. That is also very fine. You do not need that in, perhaps. Okay? Fine. Thank you. And these two lines. Okay? These two lines, pick any word. Ashok. Yeah, no, that's paying. I mean, that's quite obvious. Paying is not correct, right? Spelling. What is paying? Ashok is paying the income tax. Okay. These two. Okay. Any word. Yes. The sample that I have collected is consisting of different minerals. Any problem? Anything? I mean, that's a fair sentence perhaps, but still, any improvement? First of all, consist. It's not always that word. It's not always easy to find a very comfortable B plus fifth form, because the sample that I have collected is consisting of. इससे लिखने से ये बेहतर है the sample that I have collected consists of. ठीक है? Is consisting of से consists of is a better usage here, but he is very consisting. No, you mean consistent, not consisting here, I think, and that is a different thing than consisting. I am paying my monthly fee. Okay, fine. You, red shirt. There. Next two lines. I think that's out. Yeah. We are going to buy a beautiful picture for our friend or friends. For our friend. Yeah, that's fine, right? That's pretty all right, yes. That's fine. Yeah. The pendant which was stolen was an antique. That's a good sentence. I am planning.
Surprise party for my mother today.
Oh, okay, nice.
Today is Mother's Day.
Oh, yes, you're right. You're right. Today is Mother's Day, yes. Fine. That's all right. This is a very simple sentence. How do you, first of all, in which format it is? Simple past. And if you change the narration, if you make it active to passive, how will you get it? Huh? Something else came. I want to hear that also. No. He was given a pen by me. That is often overlooked, which is also a valid way to do. and a pen was given, that is another valid form. So some verbs can have this, because I told that what and whom, no? Whenever you want to, first of all, object will be always noun or pronoun. Remember that, that is first point. Second point, how to find what is the object. Then you first find what is the main verb, and then ask with some questions, right? That's fine, I will not get into that. And there is another type which I want to talk about. Okay. Okay. Before I go into the practice, I want to say something. Really. My room was visited last night. ये किस फॉर्म में है? नहीं, पास्ट नहीं, मतलब एक्टिव या पैसिव? पैसिव. तो इसको कैसे एक्टिव करेंगे? Because there might be some sentences like this. What is the problem here? First of all, why it is not flat? There is no subject. So try something. You have got the point. So try something. So if you don't have a subject, what should you do? Maybe we invent a subject, suppose a subject. So suppose a subject. You that is too definitive. I mean, yeah, you might be true grammatically, but that is too definitive. So perhaps someone or someone else or somebody, that kind of thing. So you will write someone. Sorry, this is not separate. I mean, this is together. Someone. So someone visited whatever my room last night. Okay? So there are cases which might happen like this, and you have to identify that it is in the passive form. Mostly they will be given in the passive form, because active to passive you will not have that problem, but the other way around you might have sometimes. Okay? So be careful about that. So maybe I will give you a couple of quick ones to do on the board, then we will mostly conduct it orally. So that, because you know these passive voices, they are very important. I mean, this he was given, I was spoken, we were taught, these kind of sentences, they are important in speaking really, when you communicate to people and when you talk to different events about different things, or you try to write not putting a lot of emphasis on the first person. Okay, you have to use such forms. It's a very useful way of talking and writing. Okay, passive voices, and often most ignored perhaps.
Regarding this, I mean passive form, for example, we were taught, or we were been taught. What is the difference?
Oh, we were taught.
We were taught or we were been taught.
Okay. So first of all, let me write them. Okay? This is one. I mean, something else after this. Okay, so I am not writing all of them. This is one. The other one is?
Sir, not being, it is been. We were been taught.
Been, not being. कहाँ पे देखे हो तुम ऐसा सेंटेंस?
हो सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं, I mean, हो सकता है अगर कोई गलती करे तो. Okay, so we leave it at that today, maybe. Okay. Class works.